On the day he dubbed Liberation Day, President Trump called on retired Michigan auto worker Brian Pannebecker to preach the virtues of tariffs.
He understands this business a lot better than the economists, a lot better than anybody.
Donald Trump's policies are going to bring product back into those underutilized plants.
But despite the endorsement, markets sold off.
Even with Canada dodging the worst of the tariffs, there certainly is going to be broader economic pain to come.
Indeed, economists see an escalating global trade war as a losing proposition.
The idea that this is just going to raise a lot of money, it's not clear how that happens without it being at the cost of the U.S. consumer and some producers as well. Prices are going to go up for everybody. There will be job losses.
On social media, Trump's former vice president, Mike Pence, called the tariffs the largest peacetime tax hike in U.S. history, expected to cost American families more than $3,500 a year. A tax hike and trade war no one asked for.
European Union does not want any trade war. We support World Trade Organization. We support multilateralism.
Retaliation, perhaps politically necessary, will take an economic toll too. Multinational stocks that manufacture in Asia bearing the brunt of the day one sell-off. Nike, Dollar Tree, Lululemon, Apple, all in the red.
Reacting in ways that we haven't really seen since those first COVID lockdowns. That's the extent of panic that we're seeing among investors.
Analysts at research firm Rosenblatt Securities crunch the numbers and figure the cost of making an iPhone has skyrocketed by as much as 40%, meaning new iPhones could retail for more than $3,200. Investors are piling into so-called safe haven assets like gold and bonds. The price of 5-year Government of Canada bonds climbing while yields are depressed. Now, those yields are what fixed mortgage rates are based on.
They dropped this morning to a low that we actually haven't seen since April 2022.
A reflection of markets bracing for more financial pain. Anne Gaviola, Global News, Toronto.